Hello, this is Christine. I'm a demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I learned something new and I wanted to share it with you. I was looking for a little envelope, sort of to gift something, and so I did some searching on Pinterest and I found this super cute envelope, something like this, and it's so easy to make, so I wanted to share it with you. I am starting with a piece of 6x6 designer series paper. Any paper will do, and we'll get started. So it's super easy. So I'm folding the piece of paper on the diagonal. Am I doing this right? No, I want my flowers to be the inside of this one. Okay, sorry. So I'm lining up the tips of the paper. I am making the fold. I am going to use my bone folder so that these folds are super crisp. So when I made mine, I did not feel the need to glue anything down, but if you wish to, you can certainly do that. Then I'm taking one side only, and actually I want this to be my top, so I'm going to do it from this side. And bring that down. And then we're taking our purple piece and I'm lining up the edges to that fold. I'm going to make another one as well after, just so that you really get a sense. So again, I'm just crisping up those folds. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm bringing the edge to meet the other one. It's very symmetrical. And there we go. Then I'm going to open those up, lift that piece, and we have our little envelope. Isn't that cute? So, of course, we need to decorate it because, well, so I've got here my rectangle stamp punch and a lovely piece of cardstock. So I'm just going to punch that out. And we will stamp that. I am using the You're Absolutely Amazing stamp set. That's from the Color and Contour stamp set over here. So I will use Highland Heather for this. It's the same. I'm just pulling out this lovely purple. So just inking up my stamp. I think this stamp pad's about ready for a re-ink, so that's why I was a little more aggressive than usual with it there. So there is that. And I just want to add a little bit of interest to it. You'll all know how much I love splotch stamps, and there is a beautiful splotch stamp in this set. So I'm just going to pull that out. It is right here. And I'm going to use Daffodil Delight for my splotch. But I don't want it at full strength because it is quite a dark yellow. So I'm just stamping off on a piece of scrap that I have next to me. And then I'm just going to stamp right over top. And there we go. So you can just see a tiny bit of that yellow showing through, but it's not very dominant. And that is still not clean. I also need to go and rinse my chamois. All right, so we'll just put our splotch away. There we go. And you could use any stamp set. This could be a thank you. This could be a happy birthday for a little gift. Anything you like. You can add ribbon. You can add, embellishments, which I am about to do. I'll just stick this together. So as you can see, like I don't feel the need to add any glue to this. You totally could if yours isn't quite as flat. So I'm just lining up the bottom. There you go. You're absolutely amazing. And let's bling that up a little bit because, well, this person's amazing. So I am going to use, so this is the 2023 in color jewels, and they are so cute. And I'm just going to use 2 of those on my corners just to give it a little bit of oomph. So there's our little envelope gift thingy. So I'm just going to set this aside, and like I said, I'm going to make one more, and then I'll show you the ones that I have made and some ideas for them. So this one will be a little bit more fall themed. I am using, so the first one that I did was with the hand penned paper. I didn't mention that. And this is a piece from the Beauty of the Earth paper. So 6 by 6. I am folding it in half. So the part that you want showing at the top here, it needs to be the inside of that fold that you're doing. I do want this gorgeous blue being the inside. So, my goodness. It does not want to be folded. My goodness. There we go. And again, I'm just crisping that up. And I'm going to pull down one piece and just bring the triangle to the bottom, or the point, I should say. And fold, make that nice and crisp. Then I'm taking my paper, I'm just holding that down there to help it out, but I'm lining up the corner of my triangle to the flat edge here. And if you don't have a bone folder, you could use the edge, a clean edge of a stamping block could also work on this. You just want something to make those edges nice and crisp. So I'm bringing the other corner in the exact same way. There we go. And then I'm just lifting this piece, putting these 2 down, and that's it. So you can see that, again, I don't feel I need to glue that down. It makes a really cute little envelope. So for this one, I'm going to go with that Thanksgiving theme. I'm going to use a stamp from the same stamp set. Thank you for everything. And it is going to be a bit of a tight fit on this piece of white. I did use a die, so I used the, what ones did I use? So the green, which is going to pop right there. The green is from the Tasteful Labels dies, and the circle is just from the Layering Circles dies. All right, let me see if I can center that on. And this is the Misty Moonlight Blue from 2020 to 2022 in colors, which pulls out the blue here just beautifully. All right, so I wanted to bring in the Mossy Meadow because it's just going to pull out these gorgeous green leaves super well. However, if I layer it on top, you can barely see it because they're about the same size. So I'm just going to layer that this way just to have a bit of a peek behind it. So I'm just going to use liquid glue for this. I don't need a ton, just enough to get that to stick. And I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals just so that it kind of floats a bit. I'm probably putting way more than I need here, but I find with circles, I tend to make a bit of a square. And there we go. So now you've got, this could be at a table setting, this could be a little thank you for anything, right? You can put a little gift card in here. Also, before I finish it off, I'm just going to use a little bit more bling because it's gorgeous. So this is the 2020-2022 in color square gems, and I just love these. They've got this beautiful, they're kind of almost like a cut jewel, and they're just very retro looking. Just love them. So one idea, this is a 3x3 little card that I've made. Could go in here, and you could pop in maybe a little bit of chocolate, or again, like I said, a gift card. These are with the hand penned paper. Those two are the same. I did not mean to do that. This one here shows you the different insides and outsides. And another gift idea would be these chocolates. They fit nicely in the little pocket. So you can put anything that fits in there would be perfect. And I hope you'll use this either for a table setting or a little thank you. If I was in the office, I would totally drop these off to my colleagues, but alas, we're at home. So I hope you like this one. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And thank you for watching.